Google Maps has a cool new feature called Immersive View, which gives you a 3D, fly-through experience of city streets, often connecting famous landmarks and popular destinations. Here's how to use it. 1. Open Google Maps and enter directions. Start by opening Google Maps and searching for a location. For example, let's say you want directions from Champs-Élysées to the Eiffel Tower. Type in your starting point and destination, then look at the results. 2. Enable Immersive View. For some locations, you'll see an option for Immersive View. Tap on it, and Google Maps will start generating a 3D preview of your route. 3. Explore the interactive view. Immersive View adjusts based on time of day, showing either a daytime or nighttime view of the area. Tap play to watch a preview of your journey, whether you're walking, biking, or driving. Areas with heavy traffic will be marked in red, so you can see where congestion might slow you down. The current weather is also displayed. For example, it might show that it's 41 degrees Fahrenheit and nighttime. Navigate and scrub through the route. You can scrub forward to skip ahead or move around using your finger to get a 3D perspective of the surroundings. This gives you a better idea of what your route will look like before you even start your trip. Availability. Keep in mind that Immersive View isn't available everywhere. It's mostly for major tourist destinations right now, but Google is expanding coverage to more areas over time. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.